Okay, you guys, I took a little break, made myself some dinner, and pulled out a whole bunch of tropical or beach or vacation related papers. I may still have some more in there. I may have to go look for some more depending on how this goes. So I wanted to start first. I have a whole bunch of pages that I've made over the years when I didn't have pictures to scrapbook, or when I went to workshops, Stampin' Up workshops I used to do, and things like that. So I wanted to start with those to try and get pages used up that I already have. So I have this one, so I'm going to keep an eye out for 2 photos, and this is a 1-page layout. I just loved this is Stampin' Up paper. I just loved this paper pack and combination. So that's kind of ready to go. I just need to find pictures that'll go with it. This is from Keller Creations. And I thought that would be appropriate for some beach pictures. Let's see what the other second page looks like. I think this is a 2-page layout. I think a picture is supposed to go here. So plenty of room for pictures. And then you just have to mat them. So I think that'll be really cute. Life is so good, H2O, Smile, You Are My Sunshine. So definitely gonna try and use that one up. Then this one is from, I can't remember the name of the company that did these kits. But they're pretty complicated and just really beautiful. And I just have not used them. So Life is Better at the Beach, Soaking in the Sun, Splashing the Day Away. So I'm definitely gonna look for some pictures, and then I have some black and white cardstock for matting. So gonna use this up. I just love it so much. It took, even though it's all pre-cut for you, it still takes time. All of this is inked. Every piece is inked. And then you assemble it, and it's just beautiful. So, just beachy. I'm gonna find some pages for that. And then I have, so that's all I had for pre-made. I had some others, but they say summer on it. And since this was in January and not in the summer, that's not gonna quite work. So this is a kit that I might find a way to make work, maybe just on some plain cardstock. Also have this paper, which kind of goes with it as well. It'll coordinate at least. So that can contribute. And this anchors page is real cute with it. And another page of cut aparts. So these are definitely going in my sort of broader page kit for the cruise. Then we have this Beach Day, which is pretty cute. And I like the turquoise that's in it because that's going to match the water. This is Echo Park. And it even comes with some alphas, so that's good. So this is coming with me. I'm not going to pull out specific pages for specific pictures just yet, but I might do that. This is from scrapbook.com. I saw it. We aren't in Playa del Carmen on this trip. I'm trying to remember. I think we went maybe in the summer. We actually went to Playa del Carmen, so I might save that for the Playa del Carmen trip. I'm pretty sure that it was while she was 3, and we went to a Barcelo resort down in Playa. So save that. Then Summer Dreams. I thought this was cute. It has bathing suits. It has cameras that are real cute. And a lot of this might blend with some of that other pictures. So I think there's some really cute papers in here. I love the yellow. I love yellow for beach pictures. This is cute with the cameras. Look, scales, mermaid scales. I don't wear a bikini, so I probably won't use the bikini page, but I could definitely use the flamingo page and the sunglasses page, except, oh look, a white wood grain. Love that. I love that painted book. Very cute. I love that it's navy and not black. Yeah, definitely can use some of these. Not all these pages will work. Like I wouldn't use this one. I would probably try and save that for something else. Sunshine, I like the sort of rainbow look to that. That would be cute just in a strip. Summer, so some of this is, you know, summer related, so I won't use all of it. Reminds me of Mexico, the little Vespas. They're all over there. Really cute. Oh, look how pretty that is. I may need to find a use for that one. Too bad you have to give up the cute strips. But that is gorgeous. And the sticker sheet. And then I have a sticker book. This is Retro Summer. So I think some of the colors may definitely work. So we'll see if there's some things in here that work for us, even though it was a winter vacation in the tropics. But I think there's some stuff in here. So that will go in the kit for sure, for sure. This is Pool Party. Did I have, I don't think. This is Summer Dreams and Beach Day. So I haven't pulled Pool Party yet. I think I do have Pool Party, so I'll have to see. But this is the ephemera pack for Pool Party. Yeah, I must have Pool Party somewhere. These are two different chipboards for Pool Party. And again, a lot of these colors will coordinate, so I'm not too worried about it. Let's see. This is Sunshine Kisses and Summer Wishes, Pool Party, Ephemera, and Summertime Ephemera. So several different, again, all bought on sale. So mix and match, but I'm okay with that. This is from Queen & Company. But I love these alphas that are in here and some of the stickers that they have, and it's just really fun. I've done a full page using from a class from this. Let's see. This is Best of Sunshine. I've used some of this paper for some pool pictures and some other stuff, but there's some really fun paper in here from Authentique. And it's just great colors, two-sided. You know, that's almost already a grid pattern already made up for you, so that's kind of fun. And then all these cut aparts. I don't know that I'll use these on this. But a really nice green. And I guess you get 3 of each in this pack. But like, love this polka dot and this red, this polka dot and this floral. Perfect for a beach day. And the stripes. Yeah, I've already used quite a few papers from this actually. And then these circles, which are really fun if you punch them out to make ephemera, since this didn't really come with ephemera other than the cut aparts. So I will probably include that and take that with me on my scrapbooking weekend. And then Endless Summer. Again, we have to sort of avoid the summer words, but there's some other, Life is Better at the Beach. There's Sunshine in My Soul. Swim Like a Fish. Got some pictures that I could use for that with my daughter. The flip-flops, Good Vibes, the SPF. We're big SPF users. So this will go with this. And look at the paper. Look at this water paper, this turquoise paper. These are going to be perfect. So I bought a lot of those recently, so I'm excited. The other thing I found when I was going through my box of keepsakes from this year was, I'll show you, some stuff that I got from Royal Caribbean. These are really old-fashioned and not cut well. They were trying to cut too many at a time. So I won't use that. And I'm sure I can come up with a better Cricut suitcase. But they did have a really cute vacation word, so I'm going to include that. Doesn't match this paper, but I'm sure I'll find something that it matches. And we did a lot of the crimping and paper, so I'll include this and see if I can use it. And then there's a cruise cut out. So I'm gonna see, I can, you know, I have stuff like this on the Cricut that I can make, but I did like the vacation word. So we'll see if we can incorporate some of that, since it's been sitting around and waiting for me. And even the Royal Caribbean logo. So I'll include that on a page. The other things that I found that I will try and incorporate onto a page are a couple of the daily planners. And then our key cards. Back when we weren't quite so, I was a gold member. I think I'm platinum now. We take a lot of cruises. And this is Reese's, so I'll try and include some of this stuff in our pages. So I think I'm pretty close to set. I'm going to continue to go through these and try and match some pictures to some of those pages. But I think this is going to keep me busy for my weekend. I think I'm going to be all set. I feel much better about that, to be this organized a week in advance. So thanks for putting up with me and listening as I go through my stash and get ready for this fun weekend. I think we have 13 women coming for the retreat. We rent a beach house. We're only about 30 minutes from Galveston. And so we rent this huge beach house. We move some furniture. Everybody brings their scrapbooking tables. Some people scrapbook, some people do digital, some people just read a book. Somebody will bring puzzles. We'll have puzzles set out. We'll probably watch football on the weekend. There's a hot tub. We'll go for walks. There will be adult beverages. It's just a really great weekend to get away and relax. And I like to get a lot of pages done, but really there's only 3 or 4 of us that really work hard on pages anymore. There's a lot of breaks and just hanging out with really fun, smart women. So I'm looking forward to my scrapbooking weekend, and maybe I'll try and go live while we're at the weekend if I can get some of these videos posted prior, and it's okay with all of them. And I will do a page flip through when I get back to show you all of my productivity. Thanks a lot.